Make sure you get the flip like that.
Yeah, boy.
What's up, guys? ChefBiz back at it with another. You guys, man, you guys, thank you for the love. Thank you for keep subscribing. Thank you for the likes and the comments and everything like that. I appreciate you guys. So, you know, it's currently 10:22 right now. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to whip up a nice little gourmet omelet. You know, with some spinach, some bell peppers, some mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions. I'm about to whip that up for breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what all I put in there. All right, so you guys stay tuned. Look left, look right, swipe. Tomatoes right here. I'm gonna try and knock this out real fast. We have other things to tend to right now. Watch your fingers. So everything rinsed off. So I got my tomatoes, boom. Got my peppers. Boom. My peppers right here. Onion right there. So hope you guys still doing good out there, man. This quarantine thing is getting real. There's probably a lot of items to put in my omelet, but you know, I'm gonna do it anyways. Y'all stay tuned for the next step. Swipe. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Alright, I'm gonna use 2 eggs for my omelet. Uno. Dos. Yeah, baby. Boom. Wash my hands off real quick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put like a little bit of salt, maybe like half a teaspoon in that. That's salt and pepper, by the way. I usually keep the mix. I work in a restaurant, so I keep the mix of salt and pepper. One step does it all, man. I got a little bit of cayenne pepper right here. Just add a little bit of that. You know, got that going. My pan is on, so I'm gonna add a little bit of oil just to coat the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil. All right, so we're gonna get that going. Whip this up, incorporate all the seasoning you added to it. Looks okay. Make sure I can see the little specks of red. That means that the pepper is in there. You guys stay tuned. Make sure my pan is hot. It's somewhat hot, so once it gets to the temperature I want, maybe it might be okay. Add all my add everything to it. Add a little bit of salt to it. Yes, sir. You want to cook these so like it's like a little translucent for the onions, the mushrooms. You want to see when they start changing color a little bit. Once they like change color a little bit, you can add your eggs. excited, man. The quarantine right now, eggs is good to come by. Eggs aren't. Get the eggs in there, turn the heat down some. You don't want the heat too hot because it will burn the bottom of the egg before it cooks all the way. And what I usually do, come to the side right there, the side of the pan. So I let the side of the pan get a little coated. As you can see right there, and I just let the excess liquid come to the side. So every time I mix a little bit, I just move it, let the rest of the liquid run around, just like that. And then just keep it going. So watch this side right there. That's the liquid that's in there still. I just move the old one. Boom. And just keep throwing that so you don't have no more like runny liquid on top. And then you're gonna flip it. So just like that. Yep. So y'all stay tuned for the flip. Alright guys, you can see the majority of the liquid is off of here. Smell like it's about ready to flip. You know, when I cook I'm using smell, touch and all that. So y'all steady with me now. I'm gonna try to see if I can get this flip, yo. Yo, who think I can get it? Comment down below if you think I'm gonna make this flip. If you think I'm gonna make the flip, put a thumbs up. If you think I'm gonna miss, put like a broken heart or something. See? Alright, y'all. Let me get my towel ready, man. Cause you know, everything gotta be proper. You know, sturdy over here. Alright, y'all. Make sure you get the flip. Gang. Yo, shout out to my small pan, man. Hey, you can do it. If you got the talent, you can do it anyway. I told y'all I was almost ready to flip, you know? Nice little golden brown color right there, guys. Looks good, right? I think it does. I think it does. Do you? I don't know. Do you? You tell me. So I'm gonna let the other side cook a little bit. You can probably turn the stove off now. Alright, there you have it, guys. Quarantine omelet, the best quarantine omelet you'll ever have. Spinach, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions in there, a little bit of spice, a little cayenne pepper in there too. You know, the best flip you'll ever see. Quarantine time, anyways, hands down. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna play this for y'all real quick. I just say we're gonna see if I can get this nice and folded up for y'all. Check it out, ChefBiz back at it with another for y'all. So you guys stay tuned, keep subscribing, keep sharing my channel. I greatly appreciate you guys for doing that. And I'm gonna keep the banger coming, y'all. The banger. We got another banger. Now you guys see it, ChefBiz. Ooh. Maybe next time I'll make French toast from scratch, guys. Make sure y'all smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. Look left, look right, swipe. Yeah, boy!